Nagabenta ke khubor baman kasmi page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Sir, look, sir.
Known as a distinguished Indian politician, serving the state government of Meghalaya with various responsibilities. You are the most
this is all because of the ABVP. Leadership qualities. If at all you want to face anybody, stand on the dais, speak anything. You can face anything. That courage, that commitment. If at all you are supposed to have that leadership qualities, if at all you want to take it, that leadership qualities was everything is going to teach you. How should be your personality? How should be your character? How should be your own thinking? How to build up your career and career definition. Now anybody can say, why you people decide to be part of the ABVP? Anybody can say, why you people decided ultimately to be part of the ABVP? One thing I make it very clear here, the main purpose of my coming here should say openly, one thing morally, we support you people. To say openly we are with you, we are with your activities because I know the background of ABVP, the commitment of ABVP, concern of ABVP. So in that way, openly I say, what is this high question in the state? I openly say, I am with you people. I am with you people. One thing I am very clear. If at all anybody come in the name of ABVP, myself I think my feeling goes, my heart beats. My heart beats. Any person say I am from ABVP, first we teach him as a message. Secondly, he is a very principled man. He is committed to some identity. He has got some commitment. Commitment to respect him. In that way, so long I remain here in Meghalaya as the governor of Meghalaya, it is my open commitment on this day. You come in the name of ABVP for anything, either individual or related to society, related to Meghalaya, related to nation. For anything, you are most welcome. Most welcome, welcome at any point of time.
Answer. What is the motto of ABVP? Why you decide to be part of ABVP? Anybody? What is the motto? What is the main intention? What is the purpose? This organization.
Also, you people also ask any question to me. But this is a question I am going to ask you people. Please. You want mic?
Yes, sir. Knowledge, character, and unity is the motto of ABVP.
Better repeat it. It is qualities. Able to find in me.
Sessions for your benefits, the benefit of society, and particularly for the benefit of the nations. Anything, the resolutions you are taking in your 2 days, this brainstorming sessions, we hope they will come positively for your own building and the building of the nations. Today we have seen so many youths here coming from all over the states. The youths are not only the citizens of tomorrow, as I said by the other speaker, but is the citizens of today. What is the role of the youths? Particularly when you are studying, you are pursuing your educations. Important in life is to complete your missions and accomplish your missions. That is important in our life today. And the most important in the life of our youth is, how many of you are practicing for self-awareness?